Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2013 Lincoln MKZ. This four-door, five-passenger sedan offers the features and options for which you've been searching. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Top features include front bucket seats, leather upholstery, a tachometer, a power seat, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.